When your problems may be someone else's miracle. I sometimes have trouble sleeping. One night, while scrolling through YouTube, I watched a CCTV video that I haven't forgotten. According to the narrator, the young woman had just finished work around 3 a.m. In the morning, and she was bundled up in winter clothes, carrying several things in her arms and walking quickly toward her car. Perhaps she had worked overtime. Perhaps she just wanted to get home as fast as possible. She pressed her smart key, but nothing happened. The doors won't open. She tried again, still nothing. Could almost feel her frustration. She checked the door handles, tried again, and after what seemed like a long minute, she finally used the actual key to unlock the driver's door. Then something unexpected happened. Before she could close the door, a frightened young girl came running toward her, begging for help. The narrator said the girl claimed that a man was chasing her. The woman looked around and reportedly saw a man standing some distance away with his face covered. She immediately let the girl into the car, locked the door, and later took her to the police station. When I heard that story, it gave me chills. Then another thought occurred to me. What if her smart key had worked the first time? She would probably have driven away before the little girl reached her. Of course, we don't know every detail of what happened that night. We can say with certainty why the car uh, wouldn't unlock or exactly what God was doing, but it was considering this possibility. Sometimes the delay that frustrates us today may become the opportunity God uses to bless or protect someone tomorrow. When things don't go as planned, we often think God has forgotten us. But perhaps, just perhaps, He is accomplishing something we cannot yet see. That reminds me of Romans 8:28. And we know that all things work together for good to those who love God, those who have been called according to His purpose. May the inconvenience you're facing today maybe the inconvenience you're facing today isn't meaningless after all. Thank you for watching. If this encouraged you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this reminder today.